Bulgari's Octo Finissimo needs no introduction. Over the last decade, it's shattered record after record in ultra-thin watchmaking, becoming both a technical and design icon. Now, Bulgari is back with a bold new take on its slimmest automatic, the Black DLC Titanium Edition. This latest model leans into the all-black trend sweeping men's fashion. The signature 40mm octagonal case is crafted from sandblasted titanium coated in matte black DLC. It's impossibly thin, at just 5mm, with over 100 facets catching the light but never looking shiny. A black ceramic cabochon crowns the look, and sapphire crystals front and back keep things scratch-resistant. Water resistance remains at 30 meters. The matte black dial continues the stealth aesthetic. Hands, indices, and tracks are glossy black for subtle contrast. Legibility is surprisingly decent in daylight, but this watch is about style, not loom. Inside is Bulgari's ultra-slim caliber BVL 138 with a platinum micro-rotor. Spreading components across a flat plane keeps the movement just 2.23mm thick, yet it still offers a 60-hour power reserve. Impressive for an automatic this thin. Unlike the bracelet versions, this black DLC edition comes on a textured black rubber strap with a matching DLC-coated titanium pin buckle. It adds lightness and versatility, making the watch feel even more wearable day to day. Reference 104268 joins Bulgari's permanent lineup, priced at about €17,000 or $15,500. Ultra-thin, ultra-light, and now ultra-stealthy. The Octo Finissimo Automatic Black DLC Titanium proves Bulgari is still king of slim-fit watchmaking. If you enjoyed this quick look, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of high-end horology.